Chapter 9 Internet Services. Concept Note: the Internet has become an indispensable part of our daily lives. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, work, learn, shop, and entertain ourselves. Children will be able to understand what a computer network is, understand the concept of Internet, identify various methods for connecting to the Internet, define the World Wide Web and understand how it works, understand various services offered by the Internet. Tia: Hey Neha, do you know how computers work? Neha: Yes, they run programs and store files, right? Tia: Exactly. But do you know that computers can also talk to each other? Neha: Really? How does that work? Tia: Imagine you have two computers at home. You can connect them using cables or even wirelessly, and they can share information like files and printers. It is called a computer network. Neha: Oh, that sounds handy. So they're like friends sharing stuff. Tia: That's a nice way to think about it. Now, imagine if these networks could connect not just two computers, but millions all around the world. Neha: Wow, that sounds huge. But how does that even happen? Tia: That's where the Internet comes in. Let's dig into the Internet and find out about its amazing services. The Internet. The Internet is a vast network of connected devices that allows information sharing and access to various services and resources such as websites, blogs, multimedia content, social media platforms, etc. across the globe. It connects computers, smartphones, tablets, and everything like smart TVs and refrigerators using both wired and wireless technologies. The Internet is often referred to as the network of networks because it is composed of numerous smaller networks that are interconnected and work together to form a vast worldwide network. These networks can belong to the public, private companies, the government, schools, and businesses. It lets people connect with each other, visit websites, send emails, and do different things online. Fact Corner. Wired technologies involve the use of cables to establish connections between devices. For example, Ethernet cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optic cables. Wireless technologies enable devices to establish connections without the requirement of physical cables. For example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. Connecting to the Internet. To establish an Internet connection, we will need to select an Internet Service Provider, ISP. An ISP is a company that provides access to the Internet to individuals and businesses. ISPs offer various types of Internet connections that allows users to connect to the Internet and access websites, services, and online resources. Some examples of ISPs in India are Airtel, Vodafone, Jio, Fiber, BSNL, Tata Sky Broadband, etc. Advantages and disadvantages of the Internet. The Internet offers numerous advantages that have changed how we talk, study, work, and find information. Advantages of the Internet. Global communication. The Internet enables instant communication with people around the world through emails, social media, messaging apps, and video calls. Access to information. The Internet allows access to a wide range of information as it stores a huge amount of information on almost every subject. E-learning and education. You can study anything using the online learning materials available on the Internet. Entertainment. The Internet offers a wide range of entertainment options, including streaming videos, music, games, and online content platforms. Social interaction. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. allow people to chat, share pictures, and stay in touch with friends and family, even if they are far away. Online banking and transactions. The internet allows secure banking, bill payments, and handling money transactions online. Online shopping. The internet allows you to buy things like clothes, toys, and books from your smartphone without going to a store. Disadvantages of the internet. While the internet offers many advantages, it also introduces certain disadvantages. Some of the disadvantages of the internet are digital addiction. Spending too much time on the internet can make you become overly dependent or addicted. This can affect your work, studies, and your overall well-being. Privacy concerns. The internet gives rise to privacy issues as personal data can be collected, tracked, and potentially misused by companies, advertisers, or individuals with harmful intentions. Cybersecurity threats. The internet can be easily targeted by cyber attacks such as hacking, phishing, malware, and ransomware, which can comprise personal, financial, and sensitive information. Loss of privacy. Sharing personal information online can lead to unintended consequences and a loss of personal privacy. Impact on mental and physical well-being. Excessive internet use, particularly on social media and online content, can lead to emotional challenges like feeling inadequate, increased anxiety, and even depression for some. Too much screen time can also affect physical health with issues like eye strain and lack of physical activity. World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is often referred to as the web or W3. It is a vast collection of interconnected websites and web pages. These websites are stored on web servers and are accessible through the internet using web browsers. The www allows users to access information, services, multimedia content, and resources from various websites across the globe. While the internet is a big network of connected devices and networks, the World Wide Web is a special tool that helps us easily access all the resources available on the internet. Fact Corner. The first website ever created is known as the World Wide Web Project's website. It was built by Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web, and was launched in 1991. How the web works. The primary purpose of the World Wide Web, WWW, is to enable access to web pages and resources available on the internet. The working of the WWW involves several key components. Web page. Web page is a digital document that contains various types of content such as text, images, videos, links, etc. It is written using HTML, hypertext markup language. Each web page has a unique address called a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, which you enter a web browser's address bar to access the page. A hyperlink is a link that takes you to another web page or resource when you click on it. Website. Website is a collection of multiple web pages that are related to each other. Imagine a website as a book and each web page as a separate chapter within that book. Web server. A web server is a powerful computer that stores and manages websites containing all the web pages. Web browser. A web browser is the software application used to access and view web pages. Some popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Microsoft Edge. HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules that serves as the language that allows your web browser to communicate with the web server. When you type a website's address or URL into a web browser's address bar and hit enter, your browser sends the HTTP request to the web server for the specific web page you want to view. The web server then checks its files and sends the information for that web page through HTTP back to your browser. This information includes the HTML code that defines how the content should be displayed on the browser window. Fact Corner. A protocol is a set of rules that devices in a network follow to send and receive data. TCP or IP, known as Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, is a popular protocol that ensures smooth communication between devices on the Internet and other networks. Services of Internet. Internet services allow us to access a wide range of information, including text, graphics, sound, and software, through the Internet. Some of the well-known Internet services include email, sending and receiving electronic messages over the Internet; web surfing, browsing websites and searching for information on the World Wide Web; instant messaging, real-time text-based and multimedia-based communication through platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, etc. New groups, online discussion groups focused on specific topics where participants share and exchange information. Video conferencing. Video conferencing allows individuals or groups to have real-time audio and visual communication through the Internet. Flashback. The Internet is a vast network connecting devices worldwide, enabling information sharing and services. A website is a collection of interconnected web pages accessible on the Internet. A web browser is a software that allows users to access and view web pages on the Internet. A web page is a digital document containing content like text, images, and links on the Internet. A web server stores and manages websites, delivering content to users' browsers upon request. The World Wide Web, WWW, is a network of interconnected websites and resources accessible via the Internet.